All right, so I just wanted to take a minute to uh, introduce Knights Forge on YouTube officially. Basically, uh, I put a video up earlier as a test, and so I figured out to make a official introduction. Knights Forge is a custom fabrication shop that I put together. Um, I've already created a few things as demos, and I'm working on a few other projects like the rain lamp that I put the video up earlier, which is just a test of the pump system so that I can build around it. I didn't want to build the whole thing and then, realize that I couldn't pump uh, oil through it and make it work. So, uh, basically, my goal is to uh, connect with people and get drafts of their ideas and build whatever they want. Um, I've done medieval style lighting, flame lamps and stuff like that. I'm planning on doing some fire pits. Um, I'm gonna start messing with some stone structures. Um, got the rain lamp I'm fixing to do. I've done some backlit lights. I'll show some of those in the following video. I've got pictures of them, maybe some videos. I might be able to figure out how to put it all up on the screen behind me and stuff. That might be easier. Or I figure out how to edit this stuff better. It'll be good, I guess. Uh, I do welding, uh, machining. I don't have a full CNC shop in my shop yet. I do a lot of videos out there, or at least I intend to. I've done a few, but it seems like the further I get into the shop, the less connection I have. So now that I have the ability to use YouTube better, I can first I have to learn better how to do it, and I'll be able to make the videos and I guess edit them. I assume, and but that's going to take some practice. You guys are going to have to bear with me. I'm a habitual social media quitter. Never used it for a business or anything, so I'm working on learning how to actually do this stuff. Um, like I said, I've done a couple repairs for people. I've got pictures of some of that. I haven't managed to get anything else going, but I make exotic furniture. I've done woodworking, resin. Um, I've got some electrical. Personally, I've got over 12 years experience in machining. I did 6 years CNC and then another six or so manual machining. Basically, they called it CNC, but they didn't really have any CNC machines except for this big cutting table and a couple other things they got right there at the end. Um, I'm not a programmer. I uh, I have a 3D printer. I've got a couple programs on it. This is one of the things that I've made with a 3D printer. It's a little creeper skeleton, and it's got a little hidden box back here in the back. My daughters use this as their tooth fairy pillow. Basically, they'll put their teeth in there for the tooth fairy to get them, and I make a couple other little things like that. But as I don't know how to program yet, um, I can only use the files I've downloaded, so I don't claim any of that. Let's see. I do welding. I've got 5 or 6 years probably experience in welding, off and on. Well, 5 or 6 years doing welding, and then like off and on through the rest of my work history. I've done electrical work, and I've done some other framing work and stuff like that. I work on my own cars, and I like to make stuff. I like to fix things. So I'll be making a lot of videos like that, especially now that I can edit it and I don't have to do it all live. Because I know that me rambling to myself and, having crew meetings with myself and looking for shit in my shop sometimes isn't, going to be the best content. I also do a little. I'm starting to try to design gothic style clothing. That'll be under a different name, but it'll still be connected to Knight's Forge a little bit, I guess. So the let's see if I can get the number stuff back up there. I don't think you can see it in this one here. And yeah, I don't know if you can read that or not. But like I said, it's Knight's Forge. The number is 252 399 9386. You text me, or I've got a Facebook page. I've got two actually. One of them is a regular profile page because, like I said, I don't use social media that much. I post a lot of weird shit on my own pages, and I stop using it for months and months at a time. I have like 5 or 6 pages I can't get back into personally. Um, so when somebody was like, "You should make a Facebook page," I just made a Facebook page and named it Knight's Forge, and then somebody was like, "Yeah, no, you're supposed to make it's a business page. There's a different thing." So I did that, and I've got some videos up there where I've been out there in the shop stuff. It's up there, and it's got pictures of some of the stuff I've done. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get more into the YouTube thing, and I may do like a TikTok page. Somebody told me I need to start using hashtags or whatever, and so I've got to learn how to do that. So I guess people will find me in their searches and stuff. Um, so hopefully I'll bring you some entertaining and instructional content. Um, I like I said, I'm fixing to start doing some stone work because I plan on remodeling my house a little bit. I'll make it look kind of like a castle inside. So we're gonna have like stone walls, and I'm gonna do my shower. Like I'm just gonna get rid of the fucking shower basin and do it like a big stand-in rain shower. And I'm probably gonna do something in the ceiling with LED lights and resin and make it look like it's outside at night in a storm or some shit. So we got a lot of stuff like that. The rain lamp will be something that I'll be finishing soon. I'm going to do a cross. If you don't know what that is, I guess you can ask in the comments, and I'll try to explain that to you. Some of my stuff probably isn't going to be allowed on YouTube, so I'm going to try to find another media for that type of stuff. But anyway, I'm dragging this out. I don't need to do that. Like I said, this is my second post on YouTube. So I'm basically just trying to explain what I've got going on. I hope I get a following here. I've got a Tumblr page. I believe I've got an Instagram and something else. I've got several pages that are under Knight's Forge. So I try to post everything, but I don't always do that. Like the last job I did was an engine hoist for a guy. It was bent at the main brace in the bottom, and I normally like take pictures of before in process when I cut it apart or whatever I got to do to repair things, and like if I make pieces for it, I'll show what they look like, and I'll get everything ready, paint it, paint it. But I was having trouble with my own vehicle, so I was constantly having to hit that job out of the way and work on my own shit, and so I didn't take a lot of videos because at some point I got stressed and was like, okay, I got to get I got to get this done. Anyway, once again, it's my goal is a custom fabrication of whatever you want. I'm always looking for excuses to buy new tools, and like I said, I enjoy making things. Um, I'm like dark in the head, so whatever you're looking for to make, it's probably not gonna. You ain't gotta be bashful about it. It's probably not gonna. You're not gonna shock me probably. Um, and if we can do it, I'll draw it up, draft it, get your design ready, figure out how feasible it is to make, and we'll figure out if we can get it done and if you're satisfied with the design. So that's the goal, and I hope that hopefully I can serve the area here and eventually get where I can make stuff and ship them out, across the United States or further, I guess. But right now I'm located in North Carolina in Pikeville, in Goldsboro, Wilson area. I can do them fairly easy. I don't have a portable welding rig yet, so anything you need repaired would have to come to me. Um, but I got plasma, oxygen acetylene. You know, I got tools. I like buying tools. So, and I've got a little bit of experience. So, hopefully, we'll uh we'll see some of y'all soon and get some stuff done. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I guess watch for more content. Thank you.